Guys, we're launching our 4 months to the CAT program. So in case you want to join this program, you can just call the numbers given here, or you can go for only for the books, mocks, shortcuts, whichever program you want to join. Just call the numbers given here. Hi guys, 12 months, 10 months, now we have 4 months remaining for the CAT exam. So today we look at the strategy for how to plan yourself for the CAT exam in these 4 months. Okay, so first let's look at the breaking them into parts. So this is the next 4 months, and then I want to keep your eyes and ears open for the non-CAT exam also. Fine, so we got August का month, September, October, November, December, Jan, Feb, March. Fine, I want to keep the eyes and ears open for the non-CAT exam because right now the moment you think of the non-CAT exam as well ना कि चलो CAT नहीं हुआ तो बैकअप के लिए अलग other exam है, it'll give you confidence, trust me. So CAT, SNAP. January we have ZAT, CMAT, and then CET. These are the 5 exams which I recommend you can take because these exams contain more than 10 colleges. CAT, SNAP, ZAT, CMAT, CET. NMAT, TIS, IFT is only one college per exam. One college per exam. So you can give them as a backup obviously. Suppose you want a test, so you go for the test exam, no problem. Fine, I'm going to make a dedicated video for each of these exams when the dates are out. So it's my request to you, please don't buy any form without talking to me. Okay, so let me make a video for each of them. For example, TIS is a very good college. 2 lakh is the fees and 20 lakh is the package. Best ROI you can get. But this is only for HR, number 1. Number 2, only 60 seats. So convert hoga, nahi hoga. So in case, you should be aware of all these things before you apply. That's my simple agenda. Okay. Alright. So now let's look at the how to plan your studies. Let's look at the second part. कि अभी कैसे करना है. Now there are 2 schools of thought. Thought process number 1, I can go for we got 4 months remaining for the CAT exam. Non-CAT exam बाद में करेंगे. 2 months I can work on the basics. Now you have to choose among one of them. 2 months I'll do basics and 2 months I'll do advanced level. Fine, this is something you can easily do. पहला 2 महीना we'll complete the orange books, which are the basic books. Then we go for the advanced books. Now the problem with this strategy is, suppose November में आके we're doing a particular topic. Geometry we're doing November. November में आके I'll tell you boss, whatever you've done in these 2 classes is not going to come in the exam. What we're doing today is going to come in the exam. Then you say, yaar, why are you doing it now? Why have you not told this thing earlier? Yeah. This is strategy number 1. Strategy number 2, for the next 2.5 months, let's do all the basics in case you're just starting off. Along with that, we do the pro level, advanced level. How can I do basic and pro together? How can I do pro without completing all the basics? No, you don't need to know all the basics. For example, tournament question. 8 people playing a tournament is a easy question. Who is playing with whom, Robin rounds, all this we can do. 64 people playing the tournament is advanced level. So once I'm done with the basic lecture of the games and tournament, I can go for the advanced lecture same day. Yes. This way, best part is I'll complete everything by October, and last 1 month, last 45 days, I can give as many mocks as possible. Trust me, this is the best strategy you can do because अभी time आ गया है pro level पे जाने का. Because those who have joined us earlier, those who have joined us in April, March, they are now all going to the pro level. Fine, those who have joined us earlier, they don't need to attend the basic lecture. But do you think they will attend? The people who joined us suppose last year, August, for CAT 21, will they attend the basic lecture? We think no. But they will attend because पहले सब time pass किया था. They have also become serious now only. August is the time, guys, when everyone becomes serious. So if you can handle from August, yourself from August, you can crack the exam easily. So that's my request to you. Let's put up the socks and start now. From the mocks point of view, those who have joined us earlier, like those who started the preparation earlier, they can give a mock every week. Yes, there's a time to give a mock every week. I'll make a strategy video for how to give the mock as well. Otherwise, those of starting now, let's give a mock every 15 days. Every 15 days you can give a mock. Yes. बिना पढ़े mock देते जाओ. Even though you have not completed everything, please keep giving the mocks one every 15 days. Okay, now come the question mark के which strategy you follow, type A or type B. Now, I would recommend go for type 2. We'll do basics and advanced together because we don't have time to wait for the basics to get over. Okay, but especially for the weak areas, quant is my very weak area, then you can do that. Then you can first complete the basics, then go for the advanced level. You can do that. And the moment CAT is over, we'll look at the non-CAT exam. We'll immediately shift the focus to the non-CAT exam. Okay, so that's a wonderful strategy which can work. And keeping in mind your target is 10-10-10. Okay, your target is verbal, quant, DI logic 10-10-10. If you can get 10-10 marks in each of the areas, 10 questions correct, 10 marks, sorry, 10 questions correct, which is 30 marks, 30 marks, 30 marks, you are going to IIMS, irrespective of your branch, irrespective of your 10th, 12th, engineer, non-knowledge, everyone. Worst case scenario, even if you get 888, you are getting the call from IIMS for open category. And if you're from the reserved category, SC, ST, any of the category, even if you get 555, you are getting the call from IIMS, at least from the baby IIMS. Otherwise, if you're looking at the main IIMS, that's your target. Open category 99 percentile, reserved category 95 percentile. OBC, SC, ST 90 पे भी आपको मेन IIM के सारे कॉल आएंगे, काफ़ी कॉल तो आ ही जाएंगे. Alright. So we are launching a program. In case you want to join, please call the numbers given in the description box. Alright, if I missed up anything or you want me to cover up anything, please let me know in the comments, and do subscribe to the channel because I'm going to upload more videos like this in the future. In case you want to join a program for books, mocks, e-classes, the numbers are given here. Call us on any of these numbers given here. All the best.